Meaning of sexy, what you never knew. Sexy is an adjective used to describe something or someone as sexually attractive, alluring, or appealing. It is often associated with physical attractiveness, but it can also pertain to a person's demeanor, confidence, or the way they present themselves. Here are some key aspects of the meaning of sexy. Physical attractiveness. When describing a person as sexy, it typically implies that the individual possesses physical features or characteristics that are perceived as sexually appealing. This can include factors like beauty, physique, and style. Sensuality. Sexy can also refer to the quality of being sensuous and evoking desire. It's often linked to how someone moves, dresses, or behaves in a way that is suggestive or arousing. Confidence. Confidence can be a sexy trait. People who exude self-assuredness and assertiveness are often considered sexy because confidence is attractive to many. Magnetic presence. Being sexy can also relate to having a magnetic or compelling presence that draws others in. It's not just about physical appearance but the ability to captivate and entice through charisma and charm. Subjective. What one person finds sexy, another may not. Attractiveness is highly subjective and can vary from person to person based on their preferences and cultural influences. It's important to note that sexy is a subjective term, and what is considered sexy can vary widely among individuals and cultures. Moreover, it is not just limited to physical appearance, it encompasses a range of qualities and attributes that can make someone or something appealing in a sexual or alluring way.